Eddie goes to the desert. So it's gonna be called, like a joke. Golden Canyon Trailhead. 15 kilometers walked today in plus 45. There's no hiding from the sun either. Like, it's directly above. There's no shade anywhere you go. My phone's overheating. The GoPro has turned off like 3 times on me because of overheating. One step at a time. 20 kilometers in the world's hottest location. Plus 45 today. I've drank like maybe 4 liters of water today. So I would say that on a 10-kilometer hike and plus 45, 3 liters of water is not enough. This sun is unreal, unforgiving. Try to make my way out of this sun now, so this one's crazy. Stop, extreme heat danger. Walking after 10 a.m. is not recommended. Well, it's about 2 fucking p.m. Somebody's got to do it. If you weren't in good physical condition, you'd probably start getting worried about now. We're about to reach peak heat of plus 45 with absolutely 0 wind. The sun is unforgiving. That's all I can say. You can't escape it. That's what steady does. Suffer, evolve, develop. Trust me, I'm suffering right now. It's just about staying out of the sun enough so you don't get heat exhaustion. Practice breathing. I'll tell you what, they weren't joking when they said it's not recommended to hike after 10 a.m. Found the one piece of shade. About 17 kilometers today in this weather, and that's enough. My hands are cooked. I forgot to sunscreen my hands. You know, I just kind of figured that they were bulletproof because they're hands and they see the sun all year round. My camera keeps overheating at this point. Fuck, you'd hate to take the wrong turn out this way. It's hard to breathe when the weather's so hot like this. Won't lie. Being 100% honest right now, I don't recommend anyone do this. This is stupidity. At this time right now, this is fucking not smart. Oh, fuck. Don't do what I'm doing. This is worrisome for me. It's not enjoyable at all. Rough go. I've been in a bad situation before. This isn't uncommon. I'm worried. I'm trying to keep it calm right now. Just breathing, stress management. I need to find a piece of shade and take a little rest. This isn't good. My face started to feel flush 5 minutes ago. Still feeling a little numb, like tingly. Staying calm under these situations. Staying calm. Man, those stop signs are no fucking joke. Take it from me and learn from my experience. You do not want to be out here right now. I mean it. All right, I'm documenting right now because my face is going flush. My whole body's getting numb right now, tingly to the touch. See a little bit right there. Just take like a 2-minute break. I know you can't stay out here. All right. If you were to get lost out here, you're screwed, honestly. I have, according to that sign, 2.6K right now. Chugging water, like legitimately chugging water. And I fucking didn't even pee anything out of my fucking bladder. No one's out here. No one's out here. I can't sit here for long. I'm hot. I had a kilometer there where I had to put the camera away. Just getting really worried. I used my rain tarp for my bag, kind of as a sunshade, holding it above my head, and kind of created like a wind pocket on top of me. I'm done for the day. But right now, like, my body's like, I feel cold, so I'm not sure what stage of fucking hyperthermia, is that what it's called, heat stroke? I'm not sure what stage of heat stroke I'm at. I'm keeping it together, 1 foot at a time. I need in that car, but yeah, I'm cold. My whole body's like shivery right now, so take this as a life lesson. Man, it's crazy. Like, I'm shivering. My whole body feels cold. I feel really cold. That ain't good. I'm monitoring my heart rate just in case. It's all good. It's been at 120. Haven't spiked it or haven't dropped. Yeah, so that was stupid. 20 kilometers in the hottest place on earth. Don't recommend going here in the hottest month. Staying relaxed. I gotta whistle if I need. Keep this close. Every hill that I do, my body shivers. Funny enough, my buddy said, dude, you're gonna die out there. I'm not really, ooh. I'm shivering, I'm cold. I need out now. I'm not sure how much longer I needed to be out there to not make it back to the car. Serious fucking trouble. Toward the very end, like, sentences were shutting down, like they almost are right now. don't know how fucking close I was to actually dying out there. But I couldn't have been far off from collapse. What a rush. That is what I call a learning experience. There was somebody staring at me on the way out though. I feel like, you know, I was in a very vulnerable state. So I did 20 kilometers altogether today. I'm gonna remember this one, that's all I know. I don't regret it one bit, that's all I'm saying. I don't regret it one bit, that was awesome. We escaped Death Valley, fucking barely.